Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. The baby is up, so I can actually talk a little louder. When you guys hear me talk like this, it's because the baby is asleep. But she's awake and in the other room, which is great. So, if you can hear the washer, I'm so sorry. I'm washing as well. Gotta be able to multitask, right? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we're doing an unboxing. It is the Lovevery Play Gym, stage-based developmental activity gym and play mat for baby to toddler. Now you can get this when they're a newborn as well. Our little girl is 2 months old, and so let's talk about it. This retails for $140, and from tummy time to play fort, this is important to your baby's physical, cognitive, visual, and motor learning, from lifting their head as a newborn to hide and seek as a toddler. The Play Gym provides a whole year of play. Style may vary. We grow with your baby. 5 developmental zones on the playmat reveal or conceal to prevent overstimulation, teach focus, sound making, encourage sensory exploration, hiding and finding, and exploring colors. So instead of me going, yeah, hey, and she just looking at me, she can have fun with this. So this is like her first toy, which is kind of exciting. Learning through play, it includes a guide for age-appropriate activities to promote brain and motor skill development. They have removable accessories for stage-based learning, organic ball and teether, sustainable wood batting toy, 4 interchangeable learning card sets. It's easy setup and take down. It's 100% baby safe materials. It's FSC certified wood and organic cotton, mouthable teether, and removable accessories. The wooden legs are sustainably sourced, and a lifetime lost parts promise. I like that. So that means they have really good customer service. Let's see. Let's open it. I'm really excited. So I'm going to bring the camera down because it just showed up. And yeah, I was really excited that I didn't put any makeup on, guys. Sorry. I just put on a little foundation so I wouldn't scare you. All right, let's do it. Oh, okay. There's a big baby on here. Let me change the way I'm focusing it. Maybe push it back some so you can see more. Is that better? Yeah. Okay. This. Huh. That's cool. Oh, and then it tells you what's included. That's neat, right? Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, yeah. Let me give you a better angle of this. Oh my gosh, I'm doing this on the dining room, or the table. Oh. OMG. Guys. This is just cool. So on the back it has this plush type of thing. Learn to focus, it says right here. Learn to focus. Oh, and you just open it up, and I guess, I put these cards in it. I put these different cards in it. Oh, it has the earth. I think that's the earth. Oh, it has a mirror. Oh, and these are the things that tell you the ages. Oh, this is lovely. I hope she likes it. It says 0 to 12 weeks. This is what you need to do. Then 3 to 4 months, 5 to 6 months, all the way up to 12 months. Oh, this is nice. Oh. And then right here, it says hiding and finding. Oh, there's this in here, and I guess you can change this out and put something else because it has a Velcro thing to remove it. Look at that. Yeah. So she can hide and find different things. Oh, then if we just turn it around, this says, so these are all closed. Oh, this is a Velcro right here. Huh. So if I close this one, it says, exploring colors. Exploring colors. It's like a little piano thing. Okay. So if I close this one, let's go around. And this one right here says, how things feel. How things feel. And I open that and oh, this is like, oh, that's cute. That's a nice little, like a carpet. It's different textures. This is like satin. This is like a bow type of thing. And this is, I don't know what to say how that feels. It's different. It's a different texture. All right. And then we go around to the, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sections. The fifth one says, making sounds. And of course, oh, there's something in here that goes, and you press it, and you press it, oh, it makes sounds. Okay guys, this is nice, okay? And then comes this. I guess they're gonna tell me how to do that. What is this? I'm not sure. Oh, this is so it can turn into a canopy as well, guys. And I'll put that up on the screen so you can see the picture that they show, turning it into a canopy. Or is it right here? Oh no, it's right here. So it turns into a canopy. How cute is that, right? But now I'm gonna put it together for it to look like this. Because at 2 months, she can't hold her head up all that much by herself, but she is able to hold her head up for a prolonged amount of time. I think everybody feels like their baby is a genius. My baby's a genius. She holds her head up a long time. Okay, so they already put these on there for you, which is nice. Oh, different feeling. So they have these on here for you already. So I guess probably I should read the directions. I am aligning it. Let's do this one too. Right there. See if that's the right one. Yeah. Or I can just go by their picture too to make sure I got it right. Screw it on, I guess. Or make sure this is on the aligning parts. And then, oh yeah, okay. Oh, that wasn't difficult. Oh. And then you just screw this on. That wasn't difficult. I was making that a lot harder than it really was. All right. And these are all coming together, the grooves. Okay. Did I do that right? I hope I did that right. So this right here goes with the Velcro. You put that through so that it will stay. Doing the other side over here. Put this through so that the baby, it doesn't fall on the baby, which is nice. There you go. And then the last one is right here. Last one is right here. Last one's right here, and there we go. Okay. So this is with it closed. And these these are just hanging. And then you open them. So this right here is where you're going to put a, so she can visually learn. And then open these. Open these. That's my baby crying. So I'm about to let her use it. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was helpful to see if something that you wanted to try or not, or purchase for your little one. But I want to try it out. I'm really excited. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.